Hello, everyone. I'm excited to introduce my submission for the TiDB Agent X Hackathon 2025. Meet the Atlas SEO Agent, your AI-powered SEO strategy generator that scrapes competitors, analyzes content with vector search, and delivers actionable optimization blueprints to help you outrank your rivals. Imagine this. You have a keyword like best wireless earbuds. Instead of manually researching competitors, Atlas SEO Agent automatically finds the top ranking pages using advanced SERP scraping from Bright data. It then robustly extracts and cleans the content from those sites, handling errors and duplicates seamlessly. Next, it generates embeddings for the content using sentence transformers and stores them in TiDB, a scalable database with native vector search. This allows for semantic similarity matching, finding not just keyword matches, but truly relevant competitor content based on meaning. For the magic, it feeds this analysis to Kimi AI from Moonshot, which crafts a comprehensive strategy. Key themes to cover, optimal keywords to target, content structure recommendations, and SEO optimization tips to create superior content. And here's a new feature. It even suggests a top article from the database for reference, so you can see exactly what works. We built this with Python and FastAPI for the backend, TiDB for vector-powered storage, and deployed on Render for easy scaling. We tackled challenges like memory management for large text with chunking and truncation, and ensured fallbacks for reliability. I'm proud of creating an end-to-end tool that saves hours of manual work, making advanced SEO accessible to everyone. What's next? Multi-language support, real-time monitoring, and a visual dashboard. Check out the GitHub repo and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.